Canondale YouTube channel. For today's video, I would like to do an unboxing video. A few weeks ago, I bought a new crankset from Shoppee. Okay, brand Racework. So let's do the unboxing. I just received this today. After around almost a month, I ordered it. Alright, okay, let's open it. Okay. Okay, good packaging. Okay, crankset 5034 Racework. Okay, 5034 Racework. It's quite light. Currently, I'm using Ultegra. Okay, right. Nice. Okay, together with it, I received the bottom bracket. And then yeah, this is the other side of the. Okay, yeah, that's all. Okay, okay. Racework. Okay. I think it's a it's a good craftsmanship. Okay, it's nice, very neat. Okay, it's 5034. The length of the crank is 170. Okay, okay, let's weigh it. Okay, right, the weight for this Racework crankset is 754 gram. Okay, I'm not sure what is the weight of my old Ultegra. Maybe in the next video I will weigh it. Right, for those who are planning to buy Racework crankset 5034 with a crank length 170. Okay, this is, oops, the weight is 755 just now. I lost it. Alright, that's all for today's video. The unboxing of crankset Racework. So I will install it on my road bike soon, and then I will tell you about the performance of this crankset. Okay, stay tuned. Don't forget to click subscribe and like, and also share if you think this video beneficial for you. Thank you very much. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.